Hello and welcome to Data 610. In this course, you will use Decision First and Cognos Analytics software. The purpose of this video is to show you how to submit the Salesforce ticket if you have any questions about the software or any technology-related issues and need assistance. So what you need to do is you go to your classroom and click on Content. Then you're going to click on Help with Technology Software. See that? You're going to click here. Then there is a link, Technical Assistance. Click here. You want to click on this link and it will open up the form that you need to fill out. Very important. For the case type, you need to select UMGC Virtual Lab Support. Do not select Technical Support Assistant. Please select UMGC Virtual Lab Support. Otherwise, your case is going to go to the wrong queue and you may need to wait a few days to receive assistance. All right? Now, there we go. Content customer type is student. Here, this is a case subtype. You are in data analytics program, which is data, right? Subtype detail. Here, try to find the subtype that matches your issues. If you're not sure which subtype to select, you can just select other issue. All right. Program is data, course is going to be data 610. Session. How do you know your session? You go to the classroom and you scroll up to the top and you see the session right here. It follows the course. See this? For example, right here, I'm looking at session 9040. So in the form, I have to enter 9040, right? All right, academic term, for example, if it's a summer semester, I'm going to select the summer. Assignment name, right? Like, for example, suppose that I'm working on assignment 2. Assignment step, right? So perhaps I'm having trouble accessing the software or I'm having problem accessing data. That I'm going to put that here, just the step, all right? UMGC classroom username, what is that? You all have an email that ends with student.umgc.edu, right? The first part of that email is your UMGC classroom username. So usually it's a first letter of your first name, your last name, maybe followed by some numbers. So that goes in here. Here you want to specify which machine type you use. In my case, it's PC, and operating system you're using. In my case, it's Windows 10. Here, very important, you want to put your first name and last name here. Here, you want to put a phone number that you can be contacted at. Here, you want to make sure that you enter valid email address, and it's an email address that is used, that is known somewhere in your student profile, all right? This is optional. Here, you want to describe the issue. Now, you want to make sure that you ask your questions effectively, which is part of, it's a skill, which is part of the data scientist and data analyst career. So what you need to do is you want to describe the steps. How should the person assisting you reproduce the issue? What exactly you're trying to achieve and what do you see instead? Now here, if possible, please take a screenshot of an error message and attach the screenshot here. See this? Choose file and you may attach up to 5 files. And you put the brief description. When you're done, click on submit case. Very important, if you see this little red line next to the field name, it means that this field is required. You will not be able to submit the form if you don't specify required information. All right, so what's next? You submitted the case. What do you expect? Here it is. Now, you're gonna get an email with the case number. It's a confirmation email. Please keep it for your record. You need to know that case number. Once in a while, the cases get misplaced into wrong queue, right? So if you have a case number, the TA assisting you will be able to find your case by case number. Then the TA will pick up the case and you will receive an email. Very important. Here's an email that the email that comes from. It's going to be EMGC virtual labs at umgc.edu. You may need to check your spam folder or junk folder if you don't receive the email. It's quite possible that the confirmation email goes to a spam folder. All right. Here is a summary of not to do. And in the past semester, students made some mistakes which caused delays in getting help. So please, please do not call UMGC help desk. They do not know what your assignment is and they're not going to help you. They will try to forward the ticket to correct queue and it's going to take a few days. All right. Please do not use any Salesforce forms outside the classroom. You must use the form in the classroom. And I'm not sure how to emphasize this, but you have to do not select technical support case type, right? What's the correct case type? The UMGC virtual lab support case type, right? Please do not lose the case number. And please, it's very important, do not wait until the last minute, all right? Things break on the last minute. Now, you also, so here is what to do. You're going to use a Salesforce form in a classroom. You're going to select correct case type. You want to make sure that your contact information is accurate. You want to describe the steps to reproduce the issue and provide screenshot. You want to keep the case number. You want to respond to the email with proposed solution. All right, so suppose a TA gives you the solution, and if it resolves the issue, still respond. Respond something like, oh, thank you, the issue got resolved. You may close the case, something like that. Sometimes, once in a while, after several back and forth, the issue may require the screen share. And if this is the case, the TA will provide several time options, and you choose the time that works for you. You need to work with the TA there, right? And very important, if you do not respond to an email from TA for 2 days, the case will be closed. By default, the case will be closed if you don't respond within 2 days. And your instructor will be notified. So please make sure to respond. All right, this was a short introduction on how to submit the ticket. I wish you all good luck in the course. Talk to you later.